A dancehall, and dancehall is hardcore, so you have to fit the setting. Yeah, so me I say so, it's like a bait. You set it, you catch the attention, and then you just wheel them into the good music.
And you never thought at any point that you might have miscalculated?
Miscalculated? No, man, what you say, man? I've been studying this business from ever since I was... Come the devil was a boy.
Come the devil was a boy.
Make the message come across.
What do you tell people when they're giving you a hard time?
When they're giving me a hard time? My whole entire life, people have been giving me a hard time, but I've always measured success not by those who like you, but by also those who hate you. It's what I say, if nobody not hate you, that means that you're not really relevant. It's what I say, you're not really important. So, me have so much haters. What can I in front of things, man? I'm on things.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Inside with Nando. You know it's your boss Nando and I building, and you know we always have some intrusive thinking, we always think outside of the box with certain things. So I'm there, I'm here meds in myself, I'm here say to myself, say, yo, I wonder what Alkaline really have up him sleeve for the dancehall culture. And the more my meds and the more my meds deep, me I say to myself, say, yo, Jano, you see say, Alkaline, I bring back the dancehall culture, the clash aspect of dancehall. We only hear them sing, say. We only hear them sing and I say, the culture dead, the clash culture dead, this, that, ray, dead. It can't come back and blah, blah, blah. We only see what Alkaline do. Alkaline build up him empire, build up him army, and ready to make him step in the dancehall culture. And Alkaline confident in himself. Alkaline confident in himself and believe, say, him can take it to anybody. Remember, say, Gaza, Teddy run out and give Alkaline him props and say, him rate how Alkaline brave, you know. A whole heap of people run out and attack, you know. Yo, all this time me a looking to myself, all this time me a meds and I say, why Alkaline I give the people them some of them soft type of music here? Why Alkaline, you know the music them when him a release, it's like a soft era type of music. Him not really engage with the mass like that. And me literally meds and me I say to myself, say, yo, you know see Alkaline can really turn up this thing pan another pace. Alkaline can really turn up this thing pan another notch. And me I say to myself, say, Jano, Alkaline is a real strategic monster. A real strategic, smart mind. Like Einstein. Real smart mind, bro. The man, look how the man create a havoc in our media. And look how it easily done by him. Everybody else drop songs normally, regularly. And when Alkaline drops, the whole place story up like a pot of stew peas. People, viewers and subscribers, like you not see what go on a dancehall. Alkaline, the mastermind behind every chess move. The mastermind behind every calculated move. The man a bring back the culture. The man a nice... Yo, come like me a meds too deep, you know. It's like me a meds too deep, because viewers and subscribers, remember a Alkaline go up on the interview with Cliff Hughes, you know, and say, Clash, it's just a vibe. The Clash thing is just a vibe. He's just having fun with it. Bro, the man literally out here want the artists them to prove them badness. All of who attack say them are the baddest thing, the toughest thing, the roughest thing. Prove on the badness if you're capable for write lyrics like me, Alkaline. Step to the ball field, step to the front of the podium and show me what you're capable of. Viewers and subscribers, you don't see what Alkaline outfit go on with dancehall. You don't see what Alkaline outfit starting a dancehall. A riot, you know. Literal clash riot. And watch this. Watch this, you know, viewers and subscribers. You know, say, most of them giants in a dancehall, them don't want an artist like Alkaline have him own rival in a dancehall. Why you think Alkaline go up against Squash them when Squash them hot? Why you think when Alkaline go up against Squash them when them hot? Because the man want make sure say him solidify himself in the clash aspect of dancehall. The man a declare, the man a show, and make you know him rival from dear point blank. But when we really realize in a dancehall, the dancehall giant them in a dancehall, the dinosaur them no want a Alkaline get a rival. When you hear the artists them or the fans them come out and I say, oh, Alkaline did afraid of Tommy Lee or Massacre them times when him just come out in his career. Uno have to understand say. You see when Alkaline did dip on a level and them artists them never dip on a level, him couldn't go up against them. Him couldn't go up with them because what? Them need to get for them bread up. Them need to get for them need to solidify for them thing on a level in a dance. I remember say when Tommy Lee are gone off for Alkaline, you know, Alkaline done a clash Vibes Cartel, you know, not really clash, but Alkaline done a fire shot off a Vibes Cartel, you know. And Tommy Lee wasn't that type dip on that level they for say, yo, go up against the Alkaline because Tommy Lee thing did kinda set a way where him the under the Gaza banner, right? Yeah, Tommy Lee was a bad artist, but Tommy Lee proved it say him on a clash artist because Jamil rub him out, right? Jamil rub out Tommy Lee. And the fact that Massacre, when Massacre just a come out in a dance hall and him a gone off a whole heap of artists, remember say him never break out, you know. So what you think are going right now? Alkaline realize that Massacre get him foot in at the game pan a level, build up him thing pan a level, a gun off a Massacre, but Massacre a play this levels card or a play this coward card, like say him coward, and people get for discover and realize say Massacre coward. Why you think Devin the Doctor run out like how him run out? Remember, you know, viewers and subscribers, don't feel like say when me attack no make sense, you know, because when me attack make sense. Watch this. Devin the Doctor run out and say Vibes Cartel make Massacre get scared. And then when him say after that in the same sentence, the whole world knows say you're scared of, the whole world knows say you're afraid of Alkaline. Yo, as chess a play in a dance hall, you know, if you not pre the thing when me a talk about, you know, a chess a play in a dance hall, because I watch this again, you know, viewers and subscribers. Devin the Doctor run out for Massacre, I send him shots. What you think say? Devin the Doctor knows say Massacre now go run out upon him because Devin the Doctor not have leverage in the game. Devin the Doctor not have leverage in the game. So right now, right after that, Devin the Doctor fire him shots, make it clear to the whole world, say, Massacre, afraid of Alkaline, and right after that, in the same space of the happenings who are going on the dance hall, no, Alkaline run out with that. The Alkaline run out with a statement song. Everybody get calm in the song. Who want pick it up, pick it up. Who want run out. You know what's the next move? The next chess move, you know, is to see what the opposition them have up them sleeve. Is to see what the ups are gonna make move next. Yo, a chess a play in a dance hall, and no checkers, viewers and subscribers. The move where Alkaline make in a dance hall with the key man, well calculated. Why don't you think Matsu say the same thing? Well calculated, because watch this. The next move is to see who are gonna move next. The next move is to see who are gonna make the first step. Anybody can run out, you know. It can become amazing enough for the whole of them, you know, because watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4 artists can run out, you know, because everybody get binds, but them don't know who first to run out. Them don't know who directly or completely I get this, but the whole of them know say them get binds. It's a open ball field where everybody gets shot, everybody get binds. But watch this, who brave enough to run out, and is that are the next chess move. And what? Oh my God, come like the more me attack, the more me I makes deep dog. Yo, you know how chess play, right? If you don't know how chess play, put it down in the comment section and make me know what you think. Because watch this. Remember, you know? Remember, Alkaline play a chess move, and the next opponent have to make fee move. Whether 1, 2, 3, or 4, any one of them have to make free them move. So watch this. You see, any man make a wrong move, me blood clot. Oof them get oof on the chessboard. Oof them get oof on the chessboard, because watch this. Watch this. Chess our mind game type of game, you know. Chess our mind game type of game. You have to know of. I don't like checkers. I don't like checkers where you can 1, 2, 3 and get off. No, you have to make the right move, because if you make the wrong move, 3 man off of your table can get lick off. 3 man off of your board can get off. So watch this. The move Alkaline make, well calculated. Yo, why you think Alkaline said that? Jano, Alkaline say he must study dancehall from the devil was a boy. You think of some boy makes them there?
Man, I want you to say, man, I've been studying this business from ever since I was from the devil was a boy.
Man say man study dancehall from the devil was a boy. You think a joke? Who think a blood, the man say, no move where him make. Any move where him make, it calculated. None of the move where him no make, where him make no wrong. The man tell you in the ER interview, you sister, the ER, yo, everything I play out in its own format to blood clean. Now me I wonder if a Alkaline and the ER work together for put out that interview, the compilation. But then again, I can't mess that because ER them style the dark thing. But you see how everything I play out in our universe? Everything I play out like chess, like a chessboard to bumbo clip. You know, Alkaline, youth. The way how you forward in a dancehall, dog, it's different from every other artist. And every time you cause a havoc in the media, the place turning upside down. Me not understand, viewers and subscribers. Alkaline, no way, Madu. Yo, I only artists within a dancehall will have them form a mysteriousness there about themselves. The only man will have this form of mysteriousness about himself, where you have to wonder what's his next move, what's his next calculated move. Remember, say the same Alkaline put all cover art a song on him story and I hit him drop. Remember when the man did put up disgusting on him story and I never hit it drop last year. Remember when the man put up unorthodox on him story and the man no drop that all now. I wonder if you don't know, say, Alkaline, I use a blood clot mind game pan dancehall. I don't even know. You see the average mindset of people, like even the artists them in a dancehall. That's why I say, no for them artists here, now gonna reach pan that level there. Because you think the dancehall is all about talent alone. Dancehall is not just about talent. Because controversy sell whether good or bad. And everything is a full package. Just like what Alkaline say. Full package man I deliver and make the fans shout. Mad settings, dog. Yo, weeks to come, as me said in our previous vlog them, una go see the next chess move where our artists are gonna make. I wonder if a chess them are gonna play our checkers. Who knows? But Jano viewers and subscribers, it's a yo, the space of dancehall right now. Remember Alkaline saying, no, the pot them turn down and the plate them wash up and it look like them. The plate them turn down and it look like them wash up to me. Yo, the piece of brother, the piece of bait with Alkaline set with key man. I know one artist, I know two artists, and multiple artists get it. But I who brave enough to run out. And if nobody not brave enough to run out, everybody are going to say, why? Him a coward. Alkaline this up the whole of them in them song and none of them not run out. That me I tell you no say, chess, not checkers. And that's why I say, the next artist who run out, I forgot know wisely. He must forgot know exactly the move where I'm going to make on the chessboard. Because Alkaline make a bold statement in another song in a dog. And the man play the M&M card, dog, where the man diss himself in the song. So, whenever anybody run out, where them are going to say, what kind of card them are going to pull? Them have to go formulate or come up with some new stories for throw out there for the public ear. For say, oh, Alkaline, them are this with a line there. And if any one of them artists they mention Brata or Gelding, Alkaline are going to run out. Me blood clot, hey, viewers and subscribers. Alkaline make a blood need chess move there. The man make a chess move there. And a lot of people peep it, you know. A lot of people see the move Alkaline make, you know. Hey, I want piece of move the man making a dog. To the way me study how the dog move. Although I know I can't predict every move of the dog make. But to the way I see the dog maneuver him thing. And orchestrate every move where I make. Remember the man draw out the 6 them in a dog. The man say, Vendetta no depend on nobody for the man say them need to get a CrossFit. When you hear man I mention CrossFit, that's why I say artists no need to call no artist name. Because if an artist knows him I get binds up in a shot, in a song, if him brave enough him will run out. Why yo, me have to give 6 them ratings because when Alkaline say them on a bus, them a basket, them need to go get a CrossFit, them need to go to the gym and the 6 them pick it up and know say them him attack. Me blood clear. The man them brave enough to run out. Let's see who brave enough to run out Panky man now. Because this is a bait. And this is one bigger bait than depend on nobody, you know. Depend on nobody a bad song, but the bait yeah, a multiple people get the bait yeah, you know. And if them smart enough, them are know. Them are gonna know in themselves say, yo, don't answer in a dog, don't answer because if I answer, me gonna put myself in a predicament position. And me I go cause myself feel if me go enter a clash with Alkaline. And viewers and subscribers, as me tell you now, Alkaline is a mastermind behind every move we're making a dancehall. Yo, Alkaline tell you say dog. Alkaline tell you say when the time is right. You remember the same England interview, when the time is right, every calculated move I go make or it for make in a every way. Why you think when priority drop, everybody and them mama run out about priority and attack or a flop song? What the man do? The man create a havoc in the space of dancehall, create a conversation so that everybody can keep talking. And remember, Alkaline not just drop song right back at one another in a such short notice. Remember, priority drop around 8 days or 6 days now, no? And watch ya, key man drop. And it a create havoc in the media. Alkaline smart, dog. Alkaline smart. The man not just drop songs average like every other artist. The man drop songs in a calculated way. And me have to give the youth him props because me never see a dancehall artist who go to work so yet. The average artist, them will just think, yo, me drop a song tomorrow. Me drop a song next week. But every move with the dog make, there is always a meaning behind every move. Always a message behind every move. Viewers and subscribers, Alkaline do some things in the dancehall space that has never been done before. Some things we might do, it has never been done before. And if you know real enough, you can talk the truth, dog. Some things what the dog are doing at the dancehall space, all who are saying now have not it or this and that. The man can find it if he want it. The man assure you say in this space of him there a war him a pray. Anybody run up dead. Who can manage a lyrical battle run up? Anybody. All who are said them are the baddest thing run up. The man are telling you, dog. The man are, yo, Jano, viewers and subscribers. Alkaline, a genius, dog. I mean, have some people that say some things in our vlog, you know. Me have some people in say some things in our vlog. I mean, I go play it for you. Watch them vlog your people and tell me what you think. Mad.
What they want, talk the talk. What me tell you no long time. Say what they want and talk the talk. Me don't tell you, know. Me don't tell you no long time about Alkaline. You see me I say. I see that song I went drop when I call Keyman. Basically, I say everything what I say in my two videos them what I do about Alkaline recently, you know. Yeah, him man address the same thing them like me and him did in the studio when him write that song there. You see what I deal with? Because I'm telling about the laws of power, I'm telling about the art of war, I'm telling about the Alkaline mindset. And if you don't listen to this song right now, when him Keyman, him basically I say basically everything what me I say in a song because Keyman basically I make you know say yo, you see me I say him is a very important man to the business. You see me I say with a dancehall, well a dancehall we are talking about, say him very important to dancehall. You can't get rid of the man. You see me I say because he important to the dancehall game, and that is no lie. A few artists right about now very important to the dancehall game. Massacre one of them same way. You see me I say, yeah, we not grow anything. You see me I say, all like artists them know one another strength and then one another weakness, you know. You see what I say? That are the reason why one next point when I did bring out in a two of my videos them same way is if you keep on give away your strength, brother, you go weak out. That the man saying at the key man, you know. One next line where man saying at the key man again. You better you did just be a apps from morning more than a wait pan with a fall out. Listen then two line there in a song. Whole of the song bad. Me I'll realize say he squeezing back a little brata thing in the song. That of a controversy. Controversy sells, bro G. I mean, I tell you, say, Alkaline is a mind game. Is a mind game, motherfucker. You see me, I say, don't take him simple. All you not take him man for idiot. Don't take Alkaline simple. A man address everything in a key man. Because war is coming. War a forward. War a forward. So, he address them things there and say them things there, yeah. Me a gelding, yeah. Me see a girl and still ask her if she a give her brata. Ray, te. So now when clash come now, want to go clash him and tell him say. The man done point out and show us, brother, I give him no man no strength. Cause he we weak out. Meaning say, the same thing we wanna look for him for say, bro G. I don't like it, your brother. There is nowhere upon this earth you born as a human being and nothing inspire you. You know, you come on the earth and you don't know nothing. You have to sit now go and say, you know, say me that do that or me no want to do that or me prefer do that or. You understand there is something we go inspire if you say, you know, say, a music me want to do, me rate all the artists that do them thing. Me rate the artists for a long time. Te. So, because people now I try to pressure the youth to say who inspire him from who not inspire. Man, I say, oh, nobody not inspire me. It is a mind game, bro G. It is to get the tongues wagging when some other guys lagging. You know what I mean? So therefore, that me rate with the G. The G always I give you something to talk about. Always. Whether I sang bad or I sang not bad, brother, from the song drops the people run go listen. Lord God, when me hear Alkaline, I say I know. Because the mystery behind it. Yes, so I may deal with the mystery behind it.
Viewers and subscribers, why don't you feel like say when Alkaline go up on the Cliff Hughes interview and he say little to nothing on the interview, him not give the interviewer no personal information about his personal life. He didn't give the public any information about his personal life. I feel like he went on to interview just to let his presence be felt, just to make the people them know say him there. Remember him said that same thing in the interview, you know, for make you know say me there, you know. The man make him present being felt and make the fans them of Jamaica and the public know say yeah, me there, my presence has been felt. The man not say much about him personal life. The man not give no in detail, in-depth information about himself because something is around the every card I play out, you know, everything I play out in its right format and its right way. A war is ahead of us, and anybody run out at him or she or anybody Alkaline I go take it too. So that's why I say when you hear people run out and say, oh, Alkaline interview was crap, it was shit, him not say nothing, him behave stuck up, him behave like him David did one, they like him no want to say nothing to Cliff Hughes. This is why the man not say nothing, because a time and master for everything. And the dog prove it to me, say dog, him smart. Him smart. Him not just think like the average mind. Dog, remember say him get a distinction in literature, you know. Half of them dancehall artists are in a dancehall, you know. No go to college and get distinction in a literature, you know. And forget distinction in a literature, you know. Nobody can outdo you in writing lyrics, you know. Yo, one thing when me I try remember, bro, when me listen to Key Man, the man not even use the word like in the song not once, you know. Viewers and subscribers, I wonder if we not pre when me I pre. The man not even use the word like, you know, like and is and as, simile. The man not use them thing there. For show you how the man capability up there. The man lyrical capability up there. Viewers and subscribers, Alkaline a genius, dog. And as me say, something a forward. Something a forward.
Between him and Popcorn, me don't know if I go between him and Massacre, but war is in the air. So the man have to make some things clear. That means when war start, I just blood clot lyrics of fire, you know. I just lyrics of fire. Anyway, I can be wrong. Who am I? You know what I mean? I am just a trying artist in Mobi. I take up my phone and I do some video, I go and like, me know things, me don't know nothing.
Yo, me say, me a stroll. You see it? And me a stroll to blood clot. You know what me say? Me see a youth was over one page. I never call her. You see me? Me see like the man a crack out to bumbo clot. The man a mad out. Everything a bumbo clot. Alkaline. The man a beat Alkaline body of fuck. Let me tell you something. When me rate with Alkaline, I want to notice with Alkaline from Alkaline just bust. Alkaline study the bumbo clot music industry. You think Alkaline are there? Alkaline name I go ever bumbo clot call. If you call cartel name, you have to call Alkaline name. You get where me I come from? That's how the man set the bumbo clot thing. This man I know say music no sell a bumbo clot Jamaica. You see music sell abroad. And Alkaline master that.
Alkaline come like a monster. Yo, the man come like a... Yo, the man know if he manipulate the bomb clad system. Yo. The man know the fuck him a do.
Do what me a do? No take killing.
The man think no common. The man think no lily. Dog. When you sit down on your meds, the man think. And you see the direction where the man a go. Remember, you know, when Skillbanger boss. Everybody has said, oh, Skillbanger sing fuckery, Skillbanger sing this, Skillbanger sing that. I was Skill me there right now. Skillbanger big your fuck. Skillbanger big. But you see, Alkaline, once you say cartel, you have to say Alkaline. And cartel know that. The world know that. That's why most of them people are freak out. Because you can't mention cartel name without you mention Alkaline. Cartel no matter. Cartel no want to crash Alkaline. But Alkaline will crash any fucking body. Alkaline no stupid. Me I tell you that. Me nah look no fame, me nah look no likes, but me I tell you how me see the thing. And a long time me say me want to see how this thing play. Alkaline just pass on the other day. And everybody a bunny man and say, oh yo, Alkaline song a fuckery. But me tell you something. The man done know what I do already. The man sit down and study the fucking game. You hear me I tell you? The man study the fucking game to an extent that the man know what fuck him I do. Me and man might call him and say, oh, him a gilling and whatever. Man use that and jumping at the bomb buckler. Some guy say, yo, the gilling of a lot of bomb buckler. And you're so rated at you there. Me tell you this. I'm not sure but know them man. I know him sister. Let me tell you this. That you from first time Karina come and work and Karina said, dog, yo, like, yo, my brother start the music. So me I say, yo, dog. I mean, you're the man singing the dog. Me I say, bumbo clot. That you your hard. The man come with some little thing like, yo, man make you have to talk about him. The man make you have to like, yo, you can't go a fucking day without mention Alkaline name. That's how the man know the thing, dog. That's how the man fuck with the music, dog. Me I tell him. You see much artists come and fall off, come in and game, jump off, all of them something. Yo, because the man know what the fuck him a do. The man know him a do. Brother, most of them big artists, even if I go up on the road and I play some music in my car, I'm going to pull up certain place. And man I say, who is that? But you see, for the blood clot here, like, yo, Alkaline. Everybody can't tell about blood clot Alkaline. Me can't tell you the top blood clot music people them who play on a daily fucking basis up there on radio. Alkaline are 1. Cartel are 2. Skilly Beg. Movado now and then Movado play. But you see, Alkaline, Cartel boss, you know, Cartel have the music up on a different level, you know, but me I tell you this. Anytime you mention Cartel, you have to mention Bumbuckler Alkaline. That's how the man gifted and great. Yo, the man body fuck like me, I tell you. The man knows something for you play with.
Bro, let me tell you this, dog. You see, Alkaline know say him can't have the game in the palm of him hands, you know. Alkaline know what him a do, you know. The type of levels of impact where the man have on the culture. You think are we alone know it? You think that the artist himself no know the type of impact where him have on the culture? I wonder if you know say Alkaline know what him a do. You don't know say when Alkaline drop a song, him know say it go cause eruption in a dancehall space. It go cause havoc because it's a thing that has always have been done. It's something that's always have been done. Anytime the man drop a different situation, a different narrative, a different conversation starts spark. Every artist drop songs regularly and nobody no mention them. Me say Popcorn drop song. Me say Tommy Lee drop song other day. I mean I tell you about audio, you know. And Alkaline drop audio as well. And the whole place cause eruption, havoc in a dancehall. I wonder if you don't know how powerful Alkaline is. And the man not even use the whole of him potential. The whole of the man's strength him not even use. Viewers and subscribers, Alkaline is a different breed of artist in a dancehall. One brave artist, one lyrical artist. The man capable of anything. The man mysterious. The man unpredictable. The man, you name it, you can think of it. Some style with the man come forward in a dancehall with. Enough artists no forward with it. Talk to me no man. Listen back extra lesson. When you listen extra lesson rhythm or it different from all of the average dancehall rhythm them. Listen extra lesson lyrics. Different. Every time Alkaline drop it's always something different. Always something fresh. This is why you see key man are going with a bag of thing in a dancehall space. Viewers and subscribers, share on the task in the comment section and make me know what you think, because this is a thing with Alkaline, this mysterious, this unpredictable way of him. It have people talking. A lot of conversation has spark. People are go all 1, 2, 3 o'clock at night to talk about Alkaline. Pan YouTube, pan TikTok, you name it, anywhere. Alkaline, viewers and subscribers. January, share on the thoughts in the comment section. You know it go already, man. A Vibes and Inside with Nando with another episode and another vlog. You know it go. A mad thing. I'm out. Peace.